Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you Android is slow and how to fix it. It sometimes might caused by full storage or some software issues. Here are the practical steps to fix a slow Android phone. First, restart your phone. This clears temporary files and refreshes the system. Check available storage via settings, storage, and free up space. Aim for at least 2 to 4 gigabyte free. Delete unused apps. Remove apps you no longer use. They run background processes. Clear up cache, not data. Via settings, apps, choose an app, tap the storage, and tap the clear cache. Update Android software. Via settings, software update, and install available updates. Update all apps. Open Google Play Store, Profile, Manage Apps, and tap Update All. Disable or uninstall heavy apps. Social media, games, and live wallpaper apps can show your phone. Reduce animation. Enable developer options, then set animation scales to zero point 0.5 times, or just by turning it off. Turn off live wallpapers and widgets. Use a simple wallpaper, just don't use live wallpapers. Simply use the static wallpaper instead of fewer home screen widgets. Scan for malware. Use the Google Play Protect or a trusted antivirus app. Factory reset. Last option. Back up your data via settings, system, reset, or erase all data, and tap erase all data. Factory data reset. Best for phones that stay slow after all fixes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.